write this question. Your first question, you write the first question. Which is greater, -5, second -3. You write also which is the following number integers are greater. Yeah, which is greater, -5, -3, third option 0, and fourth none of these. The first question, which is greater, you choose which is greater. So which integer is greater? You open your copy and write their answer. Question 2. By how much does 3 exceed -3? Question mark. Your option is six, 5, -5, third -5, and fourth none of these. So third question, what must be subtracted -3 to get -9? Question mark. Your option is first -6, second 12, third 6, and fourth -12. You write these questions on your copy for revision for PT1 examination. First question, which is greater? So you see -5, -3, 0, and none of these. So you know जीरो नाइदर नेगेटिव नॉर पॉजिटिव। जीरो जो होता है ना तो वो नेगेटिव होता है ना ही पॉजिटिव होता है, और जितने भी नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं, नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स होते हैं, वो हमेशा जीरो से छोटा होता है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन थर्ड इज ट्रू बिकॉज जीरो इज ग्रेटर देन -5 और -3। This question is also you write which number, which of the following number is greater. So here you see zero is greater. Next question, by how much does 3 exceed -3? So first you write 3 minus -3. So minus plus. So you write here 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So your number is 6. Your number is 6. So you take option 1. Next question, what must be subtracted from -3 to get 9? You write, you find answer. -9. What must be subtracted? -3. Here you write from what must be subtracted from -3 to get -9. So you subtract, you write x equal to -9 plus 3 equal to -3 minus -9 equal to -3 plus 9 equal to 6. So your third option is true. You write next question. Question 4, -12. You write -15 into 8 plus -15 into 2 equal to what? You have option 150, second option minus 150. Third option 90. And fourth option minus 90. So first you multiply it, minus 15 into 8 equal to 100 minus 120. Now plus 15 to the 30. So you write here minus 30. So minus 20 plus minus 30 equal to minus 150. So your option B is true. Okay. Now your next question, question 5. Minus 9 minus minus 6 equal to what? You have option minus 15. Second option minus 3. Third option 3. And fourth option 15. So you see minus 9 minus minus plus again you write 6 equal to minus 3. So your answer is minus 3. You write 6 question. From chapter 13. (55°). Question 6. A, B, C, D and E. 45°. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Option first, x equal to 50°. Option 2, x equal to 100°. Option third, x equal to 60°. And option 4, x equal to 80°. Okay. So you find the value of x. You find value of x. So you know if ABC is a straight line, so angle ABE plus angle DBE plus angle CBD equal to 180° from LP linear pair. The value of angle ABE equal to 55°. Now value of angle DBE equal to x degree and value of angle CBD equal to 45°, equal to 180°. 55, you add first 55 and 45. we get 100 degree plus x equal to 180 degree. So value of x equal to 180 degree minus 100 equal to 80 degree. So your fourth option is true. The next question. Question 7. You have a angle AOB and C. If angle AOC equal to 5x and angle BOC equal to 4x, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Your first option 20 degree, second option 30 degree, third option 40 degree, and fourth option none of these. इसमें से कोई भी नहीं. None of these. So first you know AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. From LP linear pair. Now value of angle AOC equal to 5x and value of BOC equal to 4x equal to 180 degree. So 9x equal to 180 degree. So value of x equal to 180 degree by 9. If you cancel, we get 20 degree. So your first option is true. Your first option is true. The value of x is 20 degree. Next question. Your next question. A, O, B and C. The value of angle AOC equal to 2x minus 10 degree and the value of angle BOC equal to 3x plus 15 degree. Okay. So find the value of x. Find the value of x. So you find value of x. So you have option 1, x equal to 30 degree. Second, x equal to 35 degree. Option third, x equal to 25 degree. Now option 4, x equal to 40 degree. So here you see value of x is flowing 30 degree, 35 degree, 25 degree and 40 degree. x equal to, you write x equal to, no, you know, AOB is a straight line. AOB is a straight line. So angle AOC plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree from LP linear pair. You write the value of angle AOC. So the value of angle AOC equal to 2x minus 10 plus, right, value of angle BOC. So the value of angle BOC equal to 3x plus 15 equal to 180 degree. Now you add 2x and 3x. So 2x and 3x equal to 5x. Again you add minus 10 plus 15. So we get plus 5. We get plus 5 equal to 180 degree. Now you write 5x equal to 180 degree and 5 change their position on position. So you write minus 5. Now 5x equal to 175 degree. So x equal to 175 by 5. Five three are 15, 35 degree. So the value of x equal to 35 degree. Okay. You learn which type of question asked in PT1 examination. You write next question. Question 9. Question 9. You write next question. Find the average. Find the average. Find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8. Your option is 6.8, 14.6, 8.6 and None of these. This question related from chapter 3. Decimal. Find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8. So first find the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.3. So first you find the sum of given number. Average equal to sum of given number, sum of given numbers by total numbers. The sum of given number equal to 4.2 plus 7.4 plus 8.8 by how many numbers? 1, 2 and 3. So here you write 3. If you add, we get 20.4 by 3. If you divide, we get 6.8. So the average of 4.2, 7.4 and 8.8 is 6.8. First option. Next question. From chapter 4. What should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 4 by 9? You have option 95 by 72. Second option 45 by 92. Third option 17 by 72. And fourth option, none of these. So here you see what should be added to minus 7 by 8 to get 4 by 9. So first you write getting number 4 by 9 and subtract other number minus 7 by 8. So you write 4 by 9 and minus plus. So here you write plus 8. Find the LCM. If you find LCM, we get 72. 9 8 is 72. So you write 8 into 4 plus 9 into 7. 8 4 is 32 plus 9 7 is 63 by 72. If you add, we get 5 9 by 72. So your first option is true.